Hello. So in this video I'm going to explain how we can generate access token in GitLab and use that token in Catalon Studio. So once we done with the 2FA configuration, two-factor authentication, then only we'll able to create this access token. So that is the mandatory step for this. So after finishing the 2FA, logged into a GitLab account and go to the edit profile. In edit profile page, on the left hand side you will see this option access tokens. Here give a relevant name to the token, maybe Catalon access token, and then select these all the options. Put some expiration date. I think it only allows 1 year, or it allows more than that. Yeah, so we can select it accordingly. And then this is the button, create personal access token. So we can click on this and a new token will get generated. So I have already created one token, and that token is, so when we create this token, it is only visible once, and once we leave the screen, that token will not able to see that again in this GitLab. So the recommendation here is whenever we generate a token, copy that token at secure place. So I have copied it, and now so I'm not going to generate a new token. This is the one I have generated, and I have copied it to my personal directory. So once access token is generated, we can go to the Catalon Studio, and here we have option to clone the project, Git project. So when we click on this, we have to provide a Git URL, repository URL. To get that URL, we can go to the projects and select the projects that we want to clone. So this is our base project that we have created, and we are storing all the scripts. And here is the URL, clone with HTTPS. So copy this URL and paste it in this. So now you can see, since I have saved the authentication, my username and password is nothing but the access token that we have generated is automatically got populated. And once this is done, we can click on next. Since I already cloned it, I'm not going to do it again. You just have to select next, and then the master branch is selected by default. We'll keep it as it is, and then finish the operation. Once that's done, all the available files under this repository will get copied in the Catalon. Yeah, so this is the way we can integrate our Catalon with the Git and using the access token. Yeah, thank you.